In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for small businesses. We'll walk through the core actions that keep your books accurate. Getting into QuickBooks, securely linking your bank, creating invoices to record income, reviewing your profit and loss, and reconciling your accounts so everything matches your bank statements. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing into your account. On the dashboard, take a moment to notice the left navigation. You'll see sections like Transactions or Banking, Sales Reports, and the gear icon for settings. Knowing where these live will make the next steps faster and less confusing. Next, head to the Banking or Transactions area to link your bank. Choose Connect Account, search for your bank, and follow the secure prompts. Pick a start date that covers the period you want to bring in, but avoid going too far back if you've already recorded older activity elsewhere to prevent duplicates. Once connected, QuickBooks will begin importing transactions automatically. Review them regularly, assign the right categories, and add vendors or customers when needed. If you see recurring charges, consider setting simple bank rules so QuickBooks suggests the correct category every time, which saves a lot of time and reduces errors. Now it's time to record income with an invoice. Click the Create or New button and choose Invoice. Add the customer, the invoice date and due date, and then the product or service you're billing for, including quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. Use the description or memo fields to clarify what the charge covers, and double-check the terms and invoice number. You can customize the look of your invoice before you send it, and when you're ready, save and send it directly from QuickBooks. This captures the sale and keeps your receivables organized. To see how your business is performing, go to Reports and open the Profit and Loss. Select your date range, and choose cash or accrual basis depending on how you track your finances. Scan income and expense categories for anything that looks out of place, and click into numbers to see the underlying transactions. If you make adjustments, run the report again and, if helpful, save your preferred format for quick access later. Finally, from the gear icon, select Reconcile to match QuickBooks with your bank statement. Choose the account, enter the statement's ending balance and date, then check off each transaction that appears on the statement. Aim for a difference of 0. If it doesn't balance, look for missing transactions, duplicates, or date mismatches. Reconciling monthly keeps your books reliable and tax ready.